Hey guys, Mr. McKinney here, just wrapping up the live teach on the area and volume unit. So this is day 10.4. All right, same picture we've been doing for the rest of the live teach on this unit. The region R is the base of a solid. For this solid, each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a square. Right, but do not evaluate an integral expression that gives the volume of the solid. All right, so each cross-section is perpendicular to the x-axis. Perpendicular to the x-axis is telling me that we are going to be doing this problem with respect to x. So this is a dx problem. I don't have to worry about the sideways method or anything like that. Now, at each point, we can take the distance between g of x and f of x, and that is going to become the base of a square. Now to find out the area of a square, so it's just side squared. So each side for our square is going to be g of x minus f of x. So for the area of each cross section, it's just going to be g of x minus f of x squared. So that's what the area of each cross section is going to be since they're squares. So whenever we do the area of a known cross-section, and that's what this is, our known cross-section is a square. So whenever you have that, it's the volume is the integral from a to b of the area with respect to x. So my a of x in this case is just g of x minus f of x. Since we're doing it with respect to x, we want the x limits, which would be 0 and 2. So we can just set this one up as the integral going from 0 to 2. My area function, since it's a square, it's something squared. And in this case, to find the side, I'm going to do g of x minus f of x squared. Now I have to actually plug in the functions g of x and f of x. So I can't stop here. I'm almost done. So I just need to plug those in. So the integral from 0 to 2 of 4 cosine of 1/4 pi x minus, I either need to put parentheses here or I need to make sure that I distribute the negative correctly. It's probably easier to just put parentheses. So 4 cosine minus my f function. So we had our g of x here minus f of x here, and then the whole thing was squared. So that's it. We did not need to evaluate this one. Basically on this AP question, they made you evaluate on part A. So on part A, we had to do a whole bunch of work, but then parts B and C just want you to set it up. This problem was only worth 2 points. You got 1 point for making sure you had your limits correct, and you got 1 point for setting up the inside part correctly as g minus f squared. Make sure you do have the squared there. All right, that wraps it up for the live teach on area and volume. Again, this is just a supplement if you missed class on one of the days when we covered that. Everything from this unit is covered in the videos. So make sure you watch the videos first, and then these are going to be kind of like a follow-up set of videos. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you guys soon.